Snowflake taking a pause this morning, still up, just about doubled from its IPO price. This company argues it's got a new way to deal with data in the cloud era, making it easier to store, move, analyze, even securely share. And they argue that that's a huge idea. Snowflake represents kind of a paradigm shift in the tech IPO market from where I sit. Here's what CEO Frank Slootman said about the IPO process yesterday when I spoke with him just after the stock started trading.
The IPO is really not the highlight of my life. It's a milestone. We're here to build our business, to build our product. That's what we're excited about. That's what we do.
I asked him about that path to profitability that we always tend to ask about at IPO time. Clearly, they're not profitable. They're spending all of revenue and maybe a little more than that on sales and marketing. But Slootman says this is not a growth at all costs approach that he's taken. He is being disciplined with the money. No profits anytime soon either. So in a way, though, the story is driven by product, scale, and market opportunity. And it seems to me, David, like just a few months ago, the argument was kind of post Uber, that the market had moved away from that we want to see profits. Well, scale this time, not profits.
It's going to be a while, right? I mean, to your point. It's a great growth company. As Jim said this morning, whether or not it's worth 100 years worth of its current revenues, maybe not.
Well, at the rate at which it's growing, and if you can argue that the executives have this currency now, they can do acquisitions, maybe their vision is a lot bigger. I'm sure, 25 years ago, people were saying, selling books online, really? Is that a huge idea? I guess the argument might be, if this is the next mega scale cloud player, who knows how long that takes.
John, one quick final question. What do they, in other words, doing analytics, data analytics in the cloud and connecting, what's their secret sauce versus anybody else that's trying to do that?
Well, I am not technical enough to be able to give you a great answer on that, David. They do have nearly a third of the Fortune 500 as customers right now. And the argument that they make is that even others like Microsoft and Amazon that are trying to compete with them, with Azure, with Redshift, are kind of bolting on. They're not as fluid in their ability to deal with the data and even allow different customers to share access to data when it's necessary and practicable. And if they're right about that, then, right, there's an argument to be made. There's where some profit is.
Yeah, well, if you're not completely conversant in it, I can only imagine how bad it is for the rest of us. Thank you, John.